I've got 3 kinds of orders. I just want touch. Messy tables, random file types, and somehow, always urgent. These 100 cross-border orders, are they trying to take me out? Wait, how did I forget my OG teammate? Shichi, pull the key info from these English and Japanese orders.
Got it. PDFs, spreadsheets, images, I can read them all. Even if the layout's a mess, I break it down, standardize everything, and handle real-time translation too. Rules are live. Key data extracted. RPA checks exchange rates automatically 1 click. Foreign currency to RMB. Done. Currency conversion complete.
Now that sounds human.
Multiple formats, multiple languages, automatic FX. For order processing, go with Chi.
So, how does it decide on its own? And auto-classify and confirm the orders next.